Hey guys, today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you guys. Once I got started back, I cannot stop. So I actually did one of the back-to-back purchases. So once I checked out for my last box, they waived the $20 styling fee if I wanted to do a back-to-back. So I went ahead and ordered another one. So I think this may be box number 51, maybe. So let's go ahead and unbox it together. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a subscription styling service and you can customize how often you want to receive a box. It's a $20 styling fee, which will be credited back to any purchases that you make. And if you don't purchase anything, then you are out the $20 styling fee. And I'm also going to provide for you guys in the description box a link. It's a referral link. So if you want to go ahead and click on that, then that will give you $25 off your first box. So that'll be a little bit of a savings, and then it'll also give me $25 off of mine too. So we will help each other out to help build our wardrobes. And I just want you guys to know that I do appreciate if you do click on that referral link. Thanks so much for doing that, you guys. So in the box, here's what it looks like on the inside. So you're gonna get your note from your stylist, and then it is also going to give you a pricing sheet. So I will set that to the side and we'll go over the pricing in just a moment. And then here is your package to send anything back that you don't want. So let's see what's in the bundle. So here it is, some really pretty colors. So after I show you what's inside, I'll go ahead and try everything on for you guys. I can't wait. I love getting these fixes. I wish I'd never got started back because now I'm addicted again to it. So first up is going to be this really pretty blouse. It's got some embroidery on it. It's a really pretty green color. It's the Mason and Bell Lalani embroidered knit top in light green in a size medium. And then another top from Pink Clover. It is the Raquel short sleeve knit top in black, size medium. Looks like it's got a little band on the bottom of the sleeves. And then, oh, a jumpsuit. I love jumpsuits, and I always put that in my notes. Give me any of the jumpsuits you have, and it looks like it's got some smocking on it. So this is from Fortune and Ivy. It's the Lucinda jumpsuit in green, size medium. Nice wide legs. We'll see if they're cropped or not. So really cute pattern. And then, ooh, some shorts. They're from Market and Spruce, and they are the Dylan High Rise Garment Dye Mid-Length Short in dark pink. And I always request either a 4 or a 5-inch inseam on these. I don't like the 3-inch. I think it's a little bit too short, and I don't like the Bermuda length too much, but this is a really pretty color for spring. And then something from Liverpool. I love Liverpool denim. So this is the Pearl Pentuck Ankle Flare Jean in indigo and size medium. So I like that pin tucking detail that's right here. It's really good about slimming the legs. And I have some thicker thighs, so anything will help. So let's go ahead and start with the try on. So first up, I couldn't wait to try the jumpsuit out. And it does look like it's supposed to be a little bit cropped. It's got a really pretty spring pattern on here, a nice floral pattern. If you can see that, it's got this smocking that's right here at the waist and also in the bust area. And then these little flutter sleeves are cute. So it is a square neckline, and my bra wants to show a little bit here on the corner, but I just love the little flutter sleeve here. And the back is also like square in the back, and it also has some smocking. So the whole top is smocked. And no pockets, which I like a jumpsuit with pockets, but nice wide leg, and the material is really nice and lightweight. So this is the Fortune and Ivy Lucinda jumpsuit, and it is $59. So I wanted to see what this color combination looked like together, and I think it looks really good. So the top is an embroidered top, and I have not steamed it. I just took them straight out of the box. So this is a really nice flowy top. This embroidery on the top of this is so pretty, you guys. Can you see that? And then it's got this little bit of crochet detail here. And I did front tuck it, but it does have this nice crochet detail at the bottom as well. And it's a good length, but I did want to just show you what that looked like front tucked. And it's got a nice V-neck. I like the color of it. I think it hangs pretty well. Now the shorts, I can't decide on these shorts. I like the color of them. And they do have a nice wide leg, so they're not real tight on my thicker thighs. And the length is a good inseam length, but I don't know. I'm not sure if I really do like the color on me. Tell me what you guys think. I like this color combination together, but I'm not really sold on these shorts. I'm thinking I could do a little bit better with some different shorts. I'm very picky with my shorts, so I'm not sure if these are right for me or not. So the top is the Mason and Bell Lalani embroidered knit top, $39, and the shorts are from Market and Spruce, though, the Dylan High Rise Garment, and then it cut it off. I don't know what the rest of it is. $48. So $48 for the shorts and $39 for the top. Okay, here's the next look, and I don't know, you guys. Liverpool jeans usually work really good for me because the material's real good on. This is a pull-up style. It has that pin taking, but I don't know. I don't think they're really flattering on me. They're comfortable because they're that pull-on style, so you don't have to worry about a zipper or buttons or anything, but I'm not sure. The wash is good. It's a dark wash. The material's good. I just don't know if I do like this seaming after all. The top, I'm not sure that it does anything for me either. It's a black top, and I have lots of black tops. Do I need another black top? Because this one doesn't really wow me, or really, it's nothing special about it. It does have a little bit of pleating to puff the sleeves a little bit. And then you do have this band with these buttons down here at the bottom. It's more of an elbow length. So, I don't know, guys. What do you think? I'm just underwhelmed with this box. I did really like the jumpsuit. The pink shorts, you know, I'm not sure if that's really my color or not, and I don't know if I did really like the fit of those on me. And then the cream top, it's good. It's a top that I don't have anything really in that color in my closet already, and I like the embroidery on the top, but is it something that's really a wow factor? Do I really need to add that into my wardrobe? These jeans, I'm just not sure if they fit me well, if they really look good, and I think these are a little bit pricier because Liverpool usually is. And then this black top, I mean, I have plenty of black tops. I'm just not really sure that this does anything for me. So the top is from Pink Clover, and it is $39, and the jeans are from Liverpool, and they are $89. So altogether, the total was $274. If I bought all 5 and got the 25% discount, it would knock $68.50 off, and they had waived the styling fee, so I don't have any styling fee. So if I were to get everything with that 25% discount, it would be $205.50, which is not bad for 5 pieces, especially when you're talking about some premium denim like with Liverpool. I was wondering if I'd gotten the same stylist, because I did ask for the same stylist because I really liked her picks in the last few boxes. And if you were wondering what I kept from the last box, I ended up keeping it all. On the note, it wasn't signed, so I'm not really sure if she did pick these out or not. Most of the things that I had gotten were things that I had saved, maybe to give them a little bit of inspiration. And the note was not really personalized. It seemed very vague. It's just like, look on our Instagram page and see if there's anything you like and let me know if you like anything. I'm not sure about these turnaround boxes, if I did get the same stylist or not, because like I said, it wasn't signed. So tell me what you guys think. I've had some really good boxes the last 2 times, so I was really excited about this one because I thought that Kylie really knocked it out of the park with the last few boxes, but I'm a little underwhelmed. So if I keep anything, I'm thinking I may keep the jumpsuit. I've got 3 days to check out and send anything back that I might or might not want. So just let me know what you guys think about the collection today. And this is fix number 51. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.